Hi, it's Tasha with WTI. This Makita flashlight is super handy and wonderful to have around the house. I love that I can hang it on any object and keep my hands free for the job at hand. It has a swivel head, which is very convenient to be able to maneuver the head to highlight the area that I need illuminated. It's very nice that it's interchangeable with my Makita batteries. I always have a battery charge, so I always have a charged flashlight. It's also really nice because it has a nice weight to it. It's very lightweight and it's very easy to use, and with just a touch of the button you can turn it on, and I feel happy that I'm prepared if the power goes out or if I need it when I'm going outside to walk around at night, or if I want to take it on a walk to have it in case of an emergency. So I think that this is a really wonderful addition to my tools and something nice to have around the house. And that's my point of view.